have with me Parvati Reddy here today at Boulder Hills Golf Course. An event like this Pro-Am here where you have professional golfers and business leaders playing the sport together. How do you think it could really change or even take golf even higher, a notch higher?
First, I would like to thank NDTV for bringing this golf tournament to Hyderabad. So that means everybody is noticing Hyderabad, everybody is noticing Telangana. So we have arrived. The infrastructure, the weather, you name, everything is right. I think it's our time now. It's time that our city does many more events like this, and people do come see our city, our Telangana, even though it's a new state. But we are ready for the world events.
You're in the infrastructure space, Parvati, and I want to ask you, what lessons can Hyderabad learn from Bengaluru?
See, I think Bangalore, I wouldn't talk about the negativity of it. Bangalore grew at a scale that was unimaginable. So let me give that credit to Bangalore. So it grew exponentially. So I guess the infrastructure was a little lagging behind. So definitely when somebody's made a mistake, you want to learn from the mistake made. I'm sure government of Telangana is learning. So we are also now growing at exponential rate. That's why we have now we have regional ring road, now we have RRR coming up. So I think our government is so proactive. They've realized that we need more infrastructure, and so we are developing a lot more infrastructure.
If I can ask you, what really defines future-ready infrastructure in a growing city, wonderful city actually like Hyderabad?
See, one thing I would always say, it's never the government all the time. It cannot be the government itself. So suppose you want to have another event like a Messi. So where are the hotels coming in? The government can create road, but hotels, convention centers, I guess when there's a positive mood, when the government is proactive, I'm sure entrepreneurs will come and create infrastructure. So it's a cycle that goes hand in hand. It's people and the government that have to go hand in hand. It's a lesson. I mean, it's a story for anybody, anywhere in the world.
We are at the Pro-Am event, India's #1 Pro-Am tournament. A message you would like to give the youth, youngsters or aspiring golfers?
Recently, since I had the Messi event, so I guess anything that comes up and people watch you, so there's an inspiration saying, oh, it's in my city, it's just next door, why don't I start or pick up the game? So there's an awareness that is created, which is very important. So NDTV has got this here to Hyderabad. I'm sure a lot of Hyderabadis or a lot of Telangana people are going to say, okay, now we see TV, there's so much happening on TV. They will say, I've seen an uncle or an aunt on TV, so maybe tomorrow I could be there. No, tomorrow they would aspire to be there. They'll have an aspiration saying it was next door. So maybe next tournament I can play. So definitely you're bringing this to each and every household. I would say you've got it to each and every household. Definitely there's an inspiration, aspiration, all of it together. So definitely you're doing your bit for the sport.
Lovely. Well, thank you so much for speaking with us, and it's been a pleasure. Thank you.